Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get truffles in Stardew Valley. First, you'll need to understand that truffles are a valuable resource produced by pigs. These special animals require a deluxe barn and must be fully grown to start their truffle hunting adventures. Ensuring your pigs are happy and fed is key to maximizing your daily truffle yield. Let's dive into the specifics of setting up your truffle farm. To begin your truffle journey, you'll need to acquire a pig. Visit Marnie's ranch and purchase one for 16,000 gold. Remember, pigs can only live in a deluxe barn, so make sure you've upgraded your barn beforehand. Once you have your pig, it will take 10 days for it to mature into an adult, ready to start finding those precious truffles for you.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Stardew Valley tips. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your pigs are mature, simply let them outside each day. They will wander around your farm and dig up truffles, which will appear on the ground. Each happy pig can find one truffle daily, sometimes more with high friendship. Remember, pigs won't produce truffles during winter or on rainy days, so plan your truffle hunting accordingly for maximum efficiency. Collecting truffles is straightforward. Just pick them up from the ground before 6 p.m. Each truffle has a base selling price of 625 gold, making them a fantastic source of income. If you have the gatherer profession, you'll have a 20% chance to find 2 truffles instead of 1, significantly boosting your profits. Consider the artisan profession for even higher selling prices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.